Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will going to the exploring how to people count using YOLOv8 and object tracking. You can see the people will be count is front of you. You can see the easily will be count and you can also detect the people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the result. So let's going on. You can see the one people will be count upside and downside. So let's going on the how to will be this program will be work with PyCharm and Python base. So let's doing. So we are creating one report from the GitHub side. So you get this code from here, and after you go get the code, you open the your PyCharm. You can see the I am open the ideally of the PyCharm. Uh, so our video also will be you can see that if you have not installed PyCharm, you can easily install the PyCharm and use it. So we are creating new project. We cannot create the new project. We are okay. Open the project and mention the path. Here I am code upload the code in my document folder. Going to the YouTube and people count project. Just open the project in this way. You can step by step following this our site. So I will our target will be export the more than 1,000 projects of the YOLOv8 with the YOLO series, computer vision, natural language process. You can see the and focus on the our step by step how to work and what Python will be using and how to install dependency. So you can see the project will be open and requirements. So we need do not need any type of requirements. You need two files. Okay, here the Python file and source.py. Okay, you get this code from my Git account site. I will upload it. So front of you. After you can upload the, you can see the one I have one video and pretend YOLOv at and I'm running from the my terminal. You can see the result, already seeing the result. Okay, so one people will be count and down, how much people will be upward and downward. Okay, we are going to the step by step and how to work the so I am open my ideally. You can see here the script looking for the download pre-built sharing the indexes. So here will be dependency will be indexing will be recognized and within second you can see the uh, requirement will be needed. Okay, so do not worry, you go to the here the icon of the PyCharm and the references. After references you can go to the project. Here the project, you can see the project people count. Here the Python interpreter, you can see the Python interpreter. I'm just add it, click it Python interpreter and add local path. We are going to the using Python 3.9. If you don't use to another Python with Conda environment, you mention it. So we are going to the Python 3.9 version. Okay, and we need some dependency opencv. Okay, install the package opencv. After installing installation this package and you can go to the press the OK button and you can see here the second dependency will be needed. So I am copy Again, copy the ultra license library name and go to the plus sign of the interpreter. Here, the install the package. After install package, you can see uh, the document, YouTube, people count, project, all one folder of the videos. So you do not need the videos more than videos. You need two files and here the requirement file. Okay. So after requirement will be done. So just press the button of the run, the icon of the uh, with Python PyCharm shell. So you can see the here the result and the Python 3.9.6 version. Here the CPU PyTorch version and CPU bus. So you can see the result. Here the one people will be upward and downward. Okay, and also will be people will be count. So you can see the import the libraries. After import the libraries, we are mention the one video. I am going to again same folder people count. You can see the one video which will be targeted. Here the mask.png which will be used, and here the icon, two icons, upward and downward. We can going to the script side and explain you one by one. Here the class names. After class name, we are mention the mask image read and tracking the boundaries. Here the upward state, here the downward state. You can mention the matrices of your video. So total count numbers and one loop will be frame per second also mentioned, and RBG method and image recognition method. So okay, masking method just like a masking method and direction, and the for loop will be going to the x-axis y-axis rectangle boxes. You can see the already mentioned it. I will show you. Okay, after if a person will be count. Okay, you can see if the person is available, 0 0.3 greater than means just like iteration of the 0.3 is greater than, you can detect the person and assign the one uh, counter loop number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and put task, and you can easily change the number. Sorry, just like you can see the color. If you want to change the color, 256. Okay, you can stop and run it again. So it's the main file. Now we are going to the show.py. You need only two files, not need any type of high dependency. You need only two files. Okay, so what will be kind of the change? Let me see. So I think one color will be changed there. Okay, so it's try to yourself. Here the now the sort the import the libraries. Okay, here the one class of the linear regression. After linear regression, targeting the one matrices of the x-axis, y-axis, width, height, and convert into the boxes. You, I will mention it that take a bounding written. I am not the one by one typing the one by one line. So I am giving you the one concept of the file, how to run and how to use and how to install and how to explore the more than this project in mall side, in car side also, and it's totally on the YOLOv8. Here our project we are exploring and targeting the. You can also mention the just like a dog. Also mention the dog, buses, aeroplanes, cars. We are targeting only the person. You also mention the this type of attributes. Class name already mentioned. You just change the name, put here the logic, and change the name. So I hope you like it. Kindly support our channel for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion you can comment down. We can sort out.